Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I got a happy mail from cutebee.net. They sent me this beautiful bookshelf insert, or very famously known as DIY book Nook kit. So this is the website and they have 50% off going on now and extra 10% off on top of it. And these are all some of the cute ideas that you can try. This is a train mystery book nook kit, and you can shop more ideas over here. And also these are some of the options, and I got one of them was grandfather's antique store. I'm going to show the details of it in just a few minutes. I just loved all of these ideas. It reminded me of dollhouse that we used to play as a kid, and it's the same idea, but it's just more of a decor piece now. And this could be a nice gift to one of your loved ones, and also you can use this as a stress buster. That's what I used. It just helps me, relieve stress by attaching all those tiny pieces together and making into a beautiful piece. So yeah, it's a lot of great ideas. Like I said, you can browse their website and find out which one would you like. And now I'm going to show the one that I got. This is the one that I got, grandfather's antique store, and this is how it looks in different angles. And they have this tiny light that you can press on and off, and we're going to work on all these details that I'm going to show. And this is the product info, and I'm going to tag their website in the description box if you'd like to go and find out what you would like. If you have any questions, they also have a FAQ for you to browse through and understand everything about their company and their product. So these are the details of all the inner particulars of each room and their furnitures and their fixtures, paintings, portraits, everything is shown in the details. So you can click on the details and find out which one would you like and go with it. And I also see this as one of the kit that you can assemble together with your children and spend some quality time with them. And yeah, I think that's another option. Now let's do the unboxing of this beautiful kit, and I wanted to thank QTB for sending this beautiful book nook kit, and I totally appreciate it. Thank you so much, you guys. And I'm going to show this, and this is the outer cover. Now this is the best part. I'm going to open this whole kit, and yeah, do you see that? It's handmade pieces, and these are all the pieces that came along. Nice ziploc with the electric light that goes by the batteries. I think it's having two AAA batteries that I need to put in, and some of these stickers and some of those cute pieces as lanterns. And these are some of the stickers that also go along, and this is one of the window glass decorator. I think it will be showing like a nice colored glass window look there. And these are some of the pieces that also that we are going to arrange inside the house. And I'm going to open this. This is the main part where all these pieces are stuck in a straight piece of I would say it's a wood or MDF, not really sure, but they're really strong, that much I'll say. These are the cute vintage antique stickers, and all some of them are pictures and some of them are like decorative pieces around. And this is the kit book and these are the glass pieces that go on top and also in the front of the store. And I'm going to show all these things together. And this is the book where we have all the details how to assemble, and they are very user friendly, and it's very clear instructions. They haven't written anything, but everything is very clearly depicted. And I'm going to show some of these pieces and show how I did it. And I'm going to open the pieces. I think there are 4 or 5 of them with the different alphabets, and they will tell you how to assemble all the pieces together. You see what I'm saying? All those tiny pieces, they have like really fine quality, I would say, and it's really nice finishes, I would say. Each and every piece, after I assembled each piece of a furniture, it would look like a miniature piece of your home furniture, you know. And that's something that I really appreciated. So I'm going to start by adding these AAA batteries to this um, tiny lights, I would say. And yeah, they are bright enough. I think they have given like 10 LEDs and they all go in an order in different floors that I'm going to show you. And these are some of the pieces that I attached. That's a cute shelf with tiny decorations on it. You see how cute it is? And I just saw the picture and they tell you exactly how we have to assemble those pieces together. I'm going to show a couple of pieces and then I'll show you how it looks after they're arranged on the floors. This is how it looks after I all fixed all these furnitures on one wall, and I stuck all of these walls. This is one single floor, and isn't that pretty? Those cute fixtures, the furniture, and a cute girl standing in the front, and those cute antique boxes. And now we go to the next floor. This is what I arranged, and the lights, I'm going to put some lights, and this is the first floor. And the second floor, I'm going to attach this. There are grooves that you have to just fit into it, and then there you go. This is the two floors together, and I'm going to show the other side in just a second. After spending a couple of hours, I just enjoyed arranging all these pieces, and this is how it looks completely assembled. And I'm going to show by attaching the glass, and you're going to see that this is the top where you can just press it and then you can turn on and off like that. And you see how cute is that? And I'm going to show the final reveal after I just place it in the bookshelf. But before, I just wanted to give a glimpse of all the rooms and the levels and the tiny furnitures and plates and picture frames, everything. This is how it looks after I placed it in the bookshelf. I completely enjoyed making this DIY, and the little kid in me came out and had a lot of fun today. And yeah, this is a cute DIY that I wanted to share with you all today. And I wanted to thank Cutie Bee for sending this cute book Nook kit, and I hope you would also have your own kit by going there and shopping around. And they definitely have good prices. I would definitely say this is worth a buy with for the price that they're giving, and the quality along with it is really awesome. So yeah, this is the one I wanted to share with you all today. I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me, and I would love to hear what you think about it. So please leave your comments and let me know what your thoughts are. And I wanted to thank all of you for taking some time to watch this video, and I appreciate it, you guys. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.